How to find contact info settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find contact info settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click the settings icon in the top corner, and now just go down and click here account settings, and here just click this one, personal information. And after you click on it, here you will find account info. Click on it, and as you see here you can find account info settings on Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.